What up, YouTube? As you could tell from the title of this video, my car sucks on gas. Hold on. We're gonna get gas, but before I go, I want to make sure I need to know what my temps are. I don't want to accidentally go hard on the car. So before we get started on the video, I want to apologize for the horrible quality in the content I've been posting. I've been trying to post content on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but the camera is bad on that phone. Like, I tried to make it work, but I couldn't. Right now I'm on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Camera quality is 100% better. Maybe the audio would be better too. But yeah, I just want to say sorry about that. It's just that if I'm filming on my main phone, I might get a phone call and someone might ruin the whole video. Unless I do not disturb. But who knows, that phone call could be an emergency phone call. So that's just what I gotta deal with. But anyway, yeah, we're doing a video on how bad this car is on gas. It's really bad. Like, driving in the city is when the car does its worst, obviously. Like, I'm really not sure how much I'm getting in the city, but I usually have to be in second gear going like 25 miles an hour. And that's because I'm behind some really slow drivers. So realistically, if I want to get good MPG in this car in the city, I have to be in front of everyone or no one in front of me at all. Only then will I get good MPG. Cruising in the highway, the car does good, but altogether, half a tank, I got like 100 miles. That is terrible. And this time I did a lot of short trips. Like, the car would be on for like 3 minutes, turn it off again, drive for 3 minutes, turn it off. Like, I did a lot of short trips on this whole tank. And I got less than 100 miles out of the half of a tank. 9.5 gallons. That's a 9.25, just to be exact. This car holds 18.5 gallons of gas. And it really isn't good at all. Like, this car isn't even tuned. Let it be known that when I do get my car tuned, I am not daily or cruising it on the tune. I'm literally gonna be on stock tune, and if I'm gonna do a road race or street race or a dig, that's when I'm gonna be turning the tune on. I'm not driving 500 something horsepower off of it, I accidentally reset the mileage. Like, I swear last time, it was probably at 54 or 64. So if I do the math, 54 plus 132 is like 186. And if it's 64, that'd be 196. So I probably got around 200 miles out of this full tank so far. I still have 87 miles till empty. Well, it says 87 miles. But that is not accurate at all. When I'm in the city, it probably drops down by like 30 miles. That's how bad my city MPG is. Highway, it's pretty good. I did a test on the highway. I went from 80, resetted my MPG. Like right now it says 15.4 MPGs. I was on the highway going 80, resetted it, and I went down to 72 because that's what I cruise at. I heard that if you go cruising at like 2,500, you're burning a lot of fuel because that's when it's probably spinning the turbos a lot more, and it's probably demanding more torque. So when you're demanding more torque or spinning the turbos a lot more, you're spending a lot more fuel. So I keep it right under 2,500 because that's what this car is geared at. At 72 miles, I'm probably doing like 2,409 RPM. I'm literally right under 2,500. But yeah, I did that, and it said 25.2 MPGs, and I was doing 72 miles an hour for probably like 5 minutes straight. So on the highway, this car is pretty good. Like my 535i, it didn't, back then for whatever reason, it read 30 miles per gallon, like cruising on the highway. And then for whatever reason, when I redid the MPG test on my 535i, it said 18. That is low. I'm really not sure how good the gas was on my 535i, but what I know for sure is that that car was a lot better than this car when it comes to gas mileage. Like, I could do a pull in this car and it feels like the gas would just disappear. Like a quarter tank, like that. Like, I did not think the gas in this car would be that bad. Like, I really don't know what I got myself into. Also, we're gonna go to a new, different gas station than the one I went to last. Pretty sure I went to one last video, I don't remember. I think it was last video. That gas station, the premium is at $3 and I think 66 or 69 cents. Literally one that's like probably like 4 or 5 minutes away. It's $3.55. I'm saving myself probably like 11 cents per gallon. It's not that much of a difference, but you know, when you have a car that drinks gas on the daily, like, it makes a huge difference. It's probably less trips to the gas station, I'm not sure. Definitely saved myself a little bit of money. just sound like it was straight piped and doing all the burbles and shit, but less loud. Like, because of this person in front of me going slow, I have to lug the engine sometimes. Like, I can't be under 2 RPMs or else I'm lugging the engine. Turn the heat off. Oh my God. Forgot to mention is that I did do some pulls on this tank, but it was more like it's more of me going 25 miles an hour than me doing pulls. Alright, I'm gonna fill up the tank. I'll be right back. Alright, filled up my tank. It's gonna be a short video. I really just wanted to let you guys know how bad MPG is in a 2013 BMW 550i 6-speed. Like, really, the only time I gotta do some pulls is getting on the highway. Like this highway in particular, the town that I'm in, I gotta do some do a pull just to get on the highway. I'm gonna try to avoid that. I've been getting annoyed of the smell coming from the Catless downpipe. It smells bad. Like, sometimes I even smell it in the cabin. I had to use a McGuire's scent bomb to try and get rid of that smell, but the McGuire scent bomb is slowly fading away. Like, it didn't do shit. Sorry guys, I had to lock in there. I don't want to mac, especially not in traffic. This guy behind me is a little bit too happy on the gas. Makes me worried. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace.